I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of straight lines when the line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. The question given is a straight line AB 60 mm long is parallel to HP and inclined at 35 degrees to the VP. The end A is 25 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the straight line. It is given the line is parallel to HP and inclined at 35 degrees to the VP. So, the position of the given straight line is the line is parallel to one plane and inclined to the other plane. Also, it is given the true length of the straight line AB is 60 mm long. The end point A is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Here, the line AB in space is of true length equal to 60 mm. The end A is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. The position of the straight line is the straight line is parallel to HP and inclined at 30 degrees to VP. The top view of the line AB is seen on HP. This line AB is of true length equal to 60 mm and it is inclined to XY by an angle equal to 35 degrees, where the point A is 20 mm in front of XY. The front view of the line A', B' is seen on VP. This line A', B' is parallel to XY, where both the points A' and B' is 25 mm above XY. Now, let us draw the projection of the given straight line. Take A3 sheet, draw margin on all four sides, write the question number. In the bottom right corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. The question given is a straight line AB 60 mm long is parallel to HP and inclined at 35 degrees to the VP. The end A is 25 mm above the HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the straight line. First, draw reference line XY. It is given point A is 25 mm above the HP. So, the front view of the point A, that is A' is 25 mm above XY. From reference line, measure 25 mm, mark the point as A'. This point A' is 25 mm above XY. Also, it is given point A is 20 mm in front of VP. So, top view of the point A is 20 mm below XY. So, from reference line measure 20 mm, mark the point as A. This point A is 20 mm below XY. Now, from the point A', draw a parallel line to XY. Similarly, from the point A, draw a parallel line to XY. It is given line AB is inclined to VP, that is pi equal to 35 degrees. Take a protractor with reference point as A, measure 35 degrees, draw an inclined line. This inclined line is inclined to XY by an angle equal to 35 degrees. It is given true length of line AB equal to 60 mm. From the point A, measure 60 mm, mark the point as B. Here, AB line measures the true length of the line equal to 60 mm and the line AB is inclined to XY by an angle equal to 35 degrees. So, the length of AB is 60 mm. Now, it is given line AB is parallel to HP. So, from the point B, draw a projector. It cuts the line parallel to XY through A' at a point B'. Now, here AB is the top view, A', B' is the front view. Darken the answer AB, A', B'. Now, here the length of the front view, that is A', B' is equal to 49 mm. So, the front view length of line is equal to 49 mm. So, here the top view shows true length and the front view shows apparent length. So, this is the answer for the given question. Thank you. Wish you all the best.